I just came across a massive insight on accident, a massive fucking realization, okay? And I was scrolling across all these platforms trying to get some insights on how to grow my brand, my online presence, my following. And I realized that X, also known as Twitter, is probably the most underrated platform to do so. You know, everyone's focused on, growing their brand on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, which means that X is not as competitive as the rest of the platforms. Okay. But that's not the only benefit of leveraging Twitter. Okay. Aside from having slightly less competition on the platform, the main reason why you should leverage X to grow your agency is because the people that use the platform. Okay. The truth is, if you wanted to reach the smartest people in the world, whether that's business owners, decision makers, etc., X would definitely be your best bet. Okay. Elon Musk, obviously he's biased towards his own platform that he owns, but he's not wrong in the situation. The smartest people are on X. Okay. And it's because, it's a text oriented platform. Maybe smarter people like to read more instead of consuming videos or content, or maybe there's just less brain rot content on the fucking platform. But, the smartest people in the world are on X. Okay, and that's just a fact. And so the average X user is much more intelligent than the average Facebook or Instagram user, okay? Meaning that you have a much higher concentration of high quality prospects on the platform who are waiting on your value. And the thing is, there might be, and I actually don't know the specific numbers for this, but I'm assuming that there's less total users on X, but the quality, opposed to other platforms like Facebook or Instagram, there's probably less users on X compared to those platforms. But the intelligence levels, the IQ levels of those people who are using X is probably higher. Okay. And so this is all about, now you go into the argument of quality versus quantity of people who are, consuming your content, and you want to have the highest quality people, the people who can actually afford what you're selling, your ideal prospects consuming whatever you're putting out. Okay. And so now that you understand that, the main reasons why X is super underrated is because most people, especially specifically this space of agency owners, haven't realized that X is, pretty good to leverage, and also that the smartest people are on X. And now that you realize that, how do you actually grow on X or on Twitter? Okay. And so how do you leverage it? And really the only thing that matters when it comes to growing on X, growing your following, is consistency. Okay. And so here's an example of a weekly workflow that you can follow. And, there's really no one cookie cutter way to grow on X. There's not like a little fucking framework, do this much or these many tweets, long form, short form. Anything works. I just think as long as you're consistent and providing value, and also kind of adding a virality element to your tweets, it's basically like, growing viral with short form content. You have to hook the person in, you have to retain their attention, except in a text format. Okay, the same principles of content apply. You're just, instead of making a video format, you're doing text format. Okay. And so a way that I'm doing it right now is I write a few threads per week, and I'm going to show you exactly my system for that, because I don't really spend hours a day writing threads. I just do a simple way. I repurpose my long form content into threads, which I'm about to show you. So I write, a few threads per week, and also audience hacking. So commenting on other larger people's posts, engaging with people who are larger than you, 15 people daily, however much you want to do. Share 2 useful posts per day. Make sure you're providing value, and comment on their larger accounts. Okay. And so what I like to do is to condense every single YouTube video I ever created into a thread on X. And since I've already written a majority of the content on this doc that you're reading off of right now, I simply just condense it into a thread on X. Okay. And so I'm able to provide lots of value with little effort. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So let me actually pull up my YouTube channel, and I want to show you something. So for example, the video that I posted yesterday, the systematized learning video, if I head over to my Twitter, and it's pretty small right now, but I'm going to stay consistent with this, and you're going to see within a few months, maybe a year, it's going to have a couple thousand followers, and it's going to be a place where I can predictably get leads, high quality leads. Okay. And so for example, as you can see, it's the same thumbnail as the video from yesterday. And this is just me kind of just going over my process. Who knows, I might change it up in the future. I might refine it. I might improve it, if I see it's not working, but I simply just take it from the doc in this video, and I just, write the thread. And as you can see with, let's say, the Elon Musk video, if I scroll down, where is it? This is another video. I should have the Elon Musk. I could have sworn. Here it is. I use Elon Musk 5-step algorithm, and then as you can see, it's a thread. And so kind of whatever works for you. But the main thing is if you need to stay consistent and you need to be providing value, okay? And also repurposing your long form content so you can just be producing more content on more platforms with less effort, okay? And the last thing I kind of want to hit on is how you can get leads on X, okay? And I want to walk you through something that's called a two-step post. And essentially what a two-step post is you create some sort of lead magnet, whether it can even be a YouTube video, a training, an asset. And then what you do is you tweet out, kind of give like a little hook, and then you can say, hey, you're having this problem. I can give you something for free that'll solve this problem for you. Just comment this specific word and I'll send it over to you, okay? And so somebody comments, in this instance was calls, they would comment this under the tweet, and you would just go in the DMs, send it over to them, and try to book a call with them where, you can sell them on their service. So that's just another way you can book calls, get more appointments, get more leads, provide a valuable lead magnet, an asset, and tell people to comment a specific keyword so you can send it over to them, okay? That's basically the video. I just kind of want to give you this quick insight on that. X is very underrated, and how to leverage it, why you should start leveraging it, and just being consistent, and you're gonna have a way of getting more predictable leads, higher quality leads on this new platform. Okay, not new, but rebranded platform. And so we just recently launched our brand new AI Scaling Specialist School community completely for free. We're gonna be teaching you how to separate yourself from the red ocean markets by positioning yourself as somebody who scales businesses by selling an AI scaling system. Okay, if you want to get insights right now, it's the first link in the description. It's completely for free, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye.